Guys, Kia Optima SXL Turbo is what it sounds like before. As you guys can see, very, very quiet. It's running. That's idle. Give it gas. It's so quiet. Again? Dude, you can't even hear it. It's so quiet. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 81 at peak. Again. So you know us at Exhaust Addicts, we can't have it quiet. So stay tuned. We're going to make it a lot louder. 2016 Kia Optima SXL Turbo. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's still got a factory converter there. They don't want to do high flow yet. They'll probably bring it back for that. But then we took the resonator off and put an NTR Pro Series Racing muffler. Here's the part number on it. 25-50-12 right there. Instead of the resonator, then 2.5-inch pipe continues. And then we did a rear muffler delete there and there. Kept the stock tips out the back. All right, as you guys can see. So it looks like nothing was done to it when it's on the ground, but we did do a muffler delete and NTR muffler instead of the resonator. Here's the stock 2 mufflers that were on it that we cut off. And here's the stock resonator that we cut off also. So we cut all that off and replaced it. Looks a lot better. Lost about 50 pounds of weight too. Anyways, stay tuned guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. Here we go guys. Kia Optima SXL Turbo. That sounds good. What do you guys think of that tone? It's different. Sound decibels? Go ahead. Right at 100. 106. That's awesome. What do you guys think of that tone? I like it. Go ahead and back it out. Kia Optima Turbo. That sounds good with the race muffler. Good looking car too. Check it out. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. This is our beautiful shop at 3560 Dickerson Pike. Here's our phone number if you guys ever want to get a hold of us. What do you guys think? Again? That's theirs. Enjoy it, guys. Turbo. Let you guys hear it on the inside. (2016) Kia Optima Turbo SXL. His friend's recording him right now. About to take off and let you guys hear it. Sorry for the construction guys, but they're building apartments. Nashville's all about apartment. That sounds clean. I like it.